Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the phone number on your ID.me account. If you recently get a new number or no longer have access to your old one, updating your contact information can help you keep your account secure and make future sign-ins much easier. So let's go through the process step by step. So the first thing you need to do here is sign into your ID.me account. Once you're on the main page, go to the top right corner and open My Wallet. So this section lets you manage your account details, security settings, and contact information. And from there, select Sign In and Security to view your current authentication options. Next, look for the text messages or phone call section where your existing phone number is listed. Since ID.me does not allow you to directly edit the original phone number, you'll need to add a new one instead. So click the Add button to add another multi-factor authentication method, then choose whether you want to receive a text message or a phone call for verification. Now, type in your new phone number and select Continue. So ID.me will send a one-time passcode, also known as an OTP, to the number that you entered. So simply enter the code on the screen to verify it. Once the verification is complete, the new phone number will be successfully added to your account and will appear in your security settings. If you are unable to add the new number or run into any problems during the process, go to the contact support option and explain your situation, and then a support specialist can provide troubleshooting steps to help you update your phone number. And that is all you need to do to change your phone number on ID.me by adding and verifying a new one before removing the old one. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.